Remote software upgrades for your BMW are also available via the My BMW app. To save time, you can download the upgrade package through the app over Wi-Fi and afterwards upload it to your vehicle. And this is how it works. With a push notification, your My BMW app informs you when a new software upgrade for your BMW is available. The download options let you choose to download only over Wi-Fi and whether you want to download software upgrades automatically. In the download screen, the download progress is displayed in the app. When the download is completed, you need to connect your smartphone to your vehicle via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in order to enable the transfer of the upgrade. Make sure to check your connections in the Mobile Devices menu. To establish a Wi-Fi connection, click on New Device and Internet Apps to show a QR code. Scan the QR code with your smartphone to receive a Wi-Fi token and establish a connection to your vehicle. With the Wi-Fi connection established, the software upgrade is uploaded to your BMW when you drive. The upload process can be interrupted at any time and automatically resumes when the connection between your smartphone and your vehicle is re-established and the vehicle engine is running. Once the software upgrade package is uploaded to your BMW, follow the installation instructions on the central information display. Please watch our other how-to video where we show the installation process. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.